Now, let's proceed further. Let's go for the 13th one. The product of two natural numbers is 108. The sum of their reciprocal is 7 by 36. Okay, two natural numbers. Okay. So one natural number I can call as x, and the other natural number I can call as wait, लेकिन product है तो okay, it will be 180 divided by x. लेकिन ठीक है, sum of their reciprocal. Okay, so x और y दो इक्वेशन आएगा ना यहाँ पर तो x y is equal to 108. Sum of their reciprocal is, that is 1 by x plus 1 by y, will be equal to 7 by 36.
So x plus y upon xy is equal to 7 by 36. Xy we can substitute.
Sum of their reciprocal, that is x plus y upon xy. Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
could it be
Tell
1
me.
upon x?
Sorry.
Sir, could it be 1 by the whole thing?
1 upon what?
5.
Wait. Let me just explain. So, I'll do one thing. I'll try to eliminate, find the sum of the squares of two numbers. So basically, what they're asking is x square plus y square. This is what they're asking. Okay.
Sir, it's easy only.
Okay. Tell me.
Sir, you first take the base common LCM and then you get it as xy. Then you use it to figure the value of x plus y and then you square it and then you subtract 2xy by multiplying the first equation by 2.
Absolutely. Very good. So, in order to solve this problem, I've got two ideas. The first idea is what? First idea is I'll write this y as 108 upon x. Okay. And I'll substitute this over here. That will give me this particular equation only in terms of x. So I'll get some value of x. Once I get this x's value, I can substitute it over here. That will give me y's value. This is my first method, which I'm going to tell you. The second method is I'll cross multiply this. That will give me x plus y upon xy is equal to 7 upon 36. Now, instead of xy, I will substitute 108. That will give me x plus y upon 108 is equal to 7 upon 36. 36, 1, 2, 3. 3's are this. That will give me x plus y is equal to 7 into 3, 21. Now, what they are expecting us to find is only x square plus y square. Now, what I can do, I can square both sides. X plus y the whole square is equal to 21 square. 21 square will be 441. Now, when I open the brackets or maybe substitute the formula, that will give me x square plus 2xy
Plus y square.
plus y square is equal to 441. Now, x square plus y square, I'll keep it together, which I have to find. Instead of xy, I'll substitute 108. 108 multiplied by 2 gives you 216 on this side. So ultimately, x square plus y square is equal to 441 divided by 216. How much is that?
The minus, sir.
12
225.
minus, correct.
Yes, sir.
441 minus,
225.
correct. 225 will be your correct answer.
But there
Okay,
is no.
tell me. There is?
Sir, after question 14, the question is a repetition, right?
Yeah, this one is a repetition.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, it's not repetition. Sir, it's not, sir. It's find product of even numbers of the 5 numbers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Even the options are different.
Ah.
So the one after it is a repetition. Write the given equation standard form.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That was what I was.
Answer for 14th one is option 2 because we found the value of x which is to be 17.
Yeah, 289 it was correct. X square 289 था.
So, sir, it will be 18 into 16, no?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
correct. Now, erasing this 14th question. The sum of squares of 5 consecutive natural number is 1455. Since we have already solved and we got x square to be 289, which means x was equal to 17. So the consecutive numbers are 17, before that 16, then comes 15, after that comes 18, then comes 19. These are the 5 consecutive natural numbers. We are supposed to find the product of even numbers. So that is 288, option 2.
So how did you get x square is equal?
X square equal to 289. Previous problem we had solved na. X square, x plus 1 the whole square. Then x plus 2 the whole square. याद आ रहा है? अब भी तो सॉल्व किया 10 minutes before. X minus 1 the whole square. X minus 2 the whole square.
Actually, I wasn't there, so that's why.
Acha, just 10 minutes before we solved. After solving this, after adding, you must get 1455.
Okay, sir.
So that gives you 5x square plus 10 is equal to 1455. That gave you x square is equal to 289 and hence x equal to 70. Okay. Okay, going to the next one. This is 15th one. Write the given equation in the standard form of quadratic equation. This one also we have already done. The answer is option 3. Okay, proceeding further. Let's go for 16th one. If x equal to whole root of 1 plus, then root of 1 plus, then root of 1 plus, then root of 1 plus 1 plus. This is repeated for like so many times. We say infinite times. Okay, just a minute. My throat, just a minute.
So your voice is cracking.
Yeah, is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So root of 1 plus root of 1 plus and so on. Yeah, this is repeated infinite times. So in that case, let me ask you one thing. If I'm avoiding just bahar ka root, if I'm just considering this much, क्या कुछ बड़ा
Sir,
फर्क पड़ रहा है?
that is also considered as x only, sir, because
Correct.
there's infinite number of root ones.
Correct. Since the number of roots are not defined, it is infinite number of roots. So infinite, say even if you remove one, then also whatever is left, it is called as infinite. So this section is also called, can also be called as x. So my equation can be rewritten as this is x equal to then what? Under root of 1 plus then whatever is left, which is called as x.
X.
Yes. So in this case, what I can do Now I can solve easily. I will square both sides. That will give me x square is equal to 1 plus x. That will give me x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. I have to find roots for this. Now, in this case, I won't be able to find roots using the factorization method because, as you can see, you need two numbers. When you multiply them, you should get the answer as one minus one, and when you add them, then also you should get the answer as minus one. So we don't. I'm sorry, we don't have such kind of. Well, we have roots, but it is not easy to find those roots because they come in decimal. Decimal में आएंगे वो लोग. One will be a positive number and the other one will be a negative number. So ऐसे cases में I will give you a technique how to solve. I will give you a straightforward formula. Whenever you have the equation, quadratic equation like this, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, your x's value is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of a square minus 4ac inside the root divided by 2a. Just by heart this formula. This formula will give you the answer by hook or crook. Okay, so simply by heart this formula. Now, in this case, when I substitute the values, x is equal to minus b. Instead of b, I have minus 1. Now, the values of a, b, and c are what? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is also equal to minus 1. Yes, Gargi, what's your doubt?
Sir, I just wanted to say, this was the same question in 21st question in squares and cube, square root.
Yeah, we have
That's it.
already done this or what? Achha, we may have done, but still, anyway, I'm solving. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Gargi, for bringing it to attention. Yes, Ronit, what's your query?
Sir, it should be b square minus 4ac, right?
Oh, my bad, my bad. Thank you. I wrote a square. I did not realize.
Okay.
B square minus 4ac. Yeah. So the b's value is minus 1. Minus of minus 1 gives you plus 1. Then either plus or minus. Now in this case, okay, I'll just write plus or minus. Under root of b square gives you 1 minus 4 into a into c. A into c is minus 1 divided by 2 into a. That gives you 2. So 1 plus or minus under root of minus of minus is plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Divided by 2. So the question is the positive value of x. That is what they are asking. So in this case, it will be, I will ignore the negative sign. When I ignore the negative sign, I'll be left with 1 plus root of minus 3. I'm so sorry. One plus root of minus 3 upon 2. There is a printing error. Just a minute. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Just a minute. Yeah. Array. I made a silly mistake. Minus of minus plus 1 plus 4 is 5. घासने के बीच में mistake हो गया. So that gives the answer as this. Option 4 will be your correct answer. Rishik, tell me what's your query.
So you said that there are infinite number of under root 1 plus etc. So so if you take the first, if you exclude the first two and the rest as x, will it be the same?
Yeah, you will get the same answer. लेकिन difficulty level बढ़ जाएगा. The problem will become more difficult to solve. But you will get the same answer.
So your voice is cracking.
Sorry. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
I was saying that you will get the same answer, but the difficulty level increases.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next, Siddharth, tell me what's your query.
Sir, my query is this: why we exclude just only one root while considering the others as x?
See what happens. Now, okay, same thing. If I would have excluded two roots and considered the rest as x, then my equation would have been like this: x equal to under root of 1 plus under root of 1 plus x. This would have been more difficult for me to solve, right?
Yes, sir.
इसीलिए I did this so that this is less difficult. This is easier than the other one.
Oh, okay, sir. Got it, got it.
Okay?
So, sir, by this method, we can exclude three roots, four roots, how much ever we want, but the difficulty level keeps rising.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. Okay. I'll just wait for a couple of seconds and then erase this. Okay, proceeding further.
So 16th is a repeated question.
Okay, thank you for bringing it to our attention. The product of two natural numbers, sum of their squares. Yeah, it looks like it. It's a repetitive question. किसका repetition था ये? Yeah, this one. 13th का. Sum of squares of two numbers, sum of squares of two numbers. ठीक है. Okay, 13th का answer was option 2, that is 225. Okay. 18th one. Write the following set by listing method. So first of all, z is equal to x. What all x? The conditions are it should be a natural number. The second condition is what? It should satisfy this equation. So let us try to satisfy this equation. So in this equation, first of all, what I'm going to do, I'll be taking common 5 as common and make the number smaller. So when I take 5 common, this will become 1, this will become 4, and this will become how much?
285.
Correct, 285. So my equation is now x squared plus 4x minus 285. So I need two numbers, which when I'm adding, I must get 4. When I'm multiplying, I must get 285. Sorry, minus 285. Now this negative sign clearly shows
Sir,
that one number should be positive number and the other one should be a negative number. Tell me.
sir, minus 15 and 19.
Thank you. So I'll take minus 15 and 19. Wait, yeah, that actually makes sense. So 19 minus 15 gives me 4 as well. So I'll take the roots as x my x plus 19, x minus 15 is equal to 0. That will give me x equal to minus 19, x equal to 15. Now you tell me how. Now you tell me what should be our answer.
Option 4.
15
So
is
option
minus
4 because it is a natural number.
natural number. Very good. Natural number means a positive number, which means I'll be ignoring negative number, and this is my answer. Okay, let's proceed further. Find the sum of the roots of the given quadratic equation. So this is your quadratic equation. We have to find the roots and then their sum as well. So let's solve this. Sorry. So you may feel कि हाँ भाई पहले multiply कर लेते हैं and then add. But I will suggest otherwise. You first take this 2x plus 3 common. Then you are left with x minus 4 and x minus 6. So it's like x minus 4 plus x minus 6. That should give you 2x minus 10. But here I have 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, I believe this much is clear. Now when I'll multiply,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I'll multiply the numbers 4x square minus 20x plus 6x gives you minus 14x minus 30 is equal to 0. When I take common and cancel, 2x square minus 7x minus 15 is equal to 0. That will be my number. So I have to find two roots, which when added should give me minus 7, which when multiplied should give me minus 30. Minus 30 means one number should be positive and the other one should be negative. So which means there should be a subtraction. So 10 minus 3 is a logic which we can use. Since the addition answer is negative, I'll say minus 10 plus 3. So minus 10 multiplied by 3 also gives you minus 30. So these are the roots. So my root goes like this: 2x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. That gives me 2x in the bracket x minus 5 plus 3 in the bracket x minus 5. That gives me x minus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. That gives me x equal to 5 as a first root and x equal to minus 3 by 2 as my second root. So these are the two roots. They're asking the sum of these two roots. So 5 minus 3 by 2 gives you 7 by 2. Option B. I'm sorry. Okay. Am I erasing this now? Yeah. 20th question. The area of a square is 4m square plus 4m plus 1. Find the perimeter. ठीक है. Let's find the value of m first. Wait, लेकिन यार equal to 0 तो बोला ही कि अच्छा ठीक है m का वैल्यू
It will
निकालने
be
के
in M
सॉरी
only.
2 and 2.
In the form of
2
M
and 2
only we have to.
would be the
wait.
thing. 4m square plus 2m plus 2m plus 1.
नहीं 1 by 1 two people were answering 1 by 1
Sir, can I say?
yeah
Sir, it will be 2m plus 2 root m plus 1.
okay others
So
what others were saying
the answer will be in the form of M only, which is 2m plus 1 the whole square. So side is 2m plus 1, perimeter is 8m plus 4.
very good that is exactly like absolutely the correct answer now if the area is this value let me call the side of the square as s side will be the square root of this है ना side will be the square root of area now area is this now this can be written as sorry 2m plus 1 the whole square is the same only now I can say that if 2m plus 1 the whole square is the area then side will be 2m plus 1 now if you have side as 2m plus 1 the perimeter will be 4 times 2m plus 1 that is 8m plus 4 that will be your answer you don't have options for this okay erasing this so with this we have come to an end of this worksheet आज के लिए इतना ही काफी हो जाएगा see you in the next class till then take care bye bye see ya
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.